World War II veterans are often referred to as the greatest generation for the role they played in winning the Second World War for the Allied forces.
And now the federal government says all of those World War II veterans who served between December 7th, 1941 through December of 1946 are now eligible for VA health care at no cost at all.
And our Philip Ward today spoke with the Director of Veterans Affairs as well as a World War II veteran. Philip, how is this going to impact our region?
Yeah, good evening, Mike and Emily. Well, as World War II veteran Donald Hart and Director Joe Bonacci tell me, when you win the war against the Axis powers to save the freedoms we have today, free health care through the VA for the greatest generation is the least the government can do for our war heroes.
I can see you in my dreams, and smoke that's in your eyes.
Listening to his cassette tape of Al Jolson, World War II veteran Donald Hart reflects on the time he spent fighting the Axis powers in World War II. And no matter how daunting of a task lay ahead, he and his Navy shipmates never backed down.
They always had the men go to a aircraft carrier or someplace and have blessings on the aircraft carrier for you, because they knew you was going to battle.
They sent them off to war, and they knew they weren't coming home until the war was done. So, and it took, 3 years to get it done.
Erie County Director of Veterans Affairs Joe Bonacci wonders why the free coverage wasn't done sooner.
They finally got it done, and it's great for them. Well-deserved benefit for them, not only for the nursing home, but also for they can enroll in VA health care now, even if they weren't eligible.
No matter what I do or anything, I can always go to the vet's hospital and explain what's wrong with me, and they'll accept it. Because of you've been in the service, that makes a big difference.
And as Hart sits back and thinks of his fellow World War II veterans who now have access to free health care, he has no regrets about the war he helped win.
Yeah, classic like me. Yeah. I was awful glad that what I did in the Navy and joining the Navy and helping out and everything. It was a wonderful experience for me, and I remember it all my life. They was really good.
And if you are a World War II veteran and need help, Director Bonacci says you can head over to the Erie VA Medical Center, where all you need is a copy of your DD 214 to start the enrollment process. And to all of our World War II veterans, thank you for your service. Live in the studio, Philip Ward, Erie News Now.